This is going to blow your mind. The history of artificial intelligence spans several decades and encompasses various phases of research, development, and application. Here's a brief overview. Foundations in the 1940s and 50s. In 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts develop a model of artificial neurons, laying the groundwork for neural networks. Then, in 1950, Alan Turing introduces the Turing Test, a criterion for determining a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. By 1956, the term artificial intelligence is coined at the Dartmouth Conference, which is considered the birth of AI as a field. Key figures included John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. Early enthusiasm from 1956 to 1974. In the late 1950s and early 60s, there was the development of early AI programs, including the logic theorist and the general problem solver, which used symbolic reasoning. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum develops ELIZA, an early natural language processing program that mimics conversation. First AI winter in the 1970s. Following initial excitement, expectations were not met, leading to reduced funding and interest. This period is known as the AI winter. Limitations in computational power and understanding of human cognition hindered progress. In the 1980s, there was a renewed interest in artificial intelligence, particularly in expert systems that used rule-based reasoning to solve specific problems. For example, MySyn was developed for medical diagnosis. Significant investments from industry and the government were driven by the commercialization of AI technologies. As expert systems became expensive to maintain and less effective than anticipated, funding and enthusiasm waned again. The limitations of symbolic AI became apparent, leading to disillusionment. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, showcasing the power of AI in specific domains. There was a shift from rule-based systems to machine learning approaches, particularly neural networks, as computational power increased and data became more available. Deep learning and big data from the 2010s to the present. In the 2010s, the advent of deep learning, particularly convolutional neural networks or CNNs, revolutionizes fields such as computer vision and natural language processing. In 2012, a landmark moment occurs when a deep learning model developed by Geoffrey Hinton's team wins the ImageNet competition, significantly reducing error rates in image classification. The proliferation of big data and advances in GPU technology drive further advancements in AI research and applications. AI in everyday life. From the 2010s to the present, AI technologies become integrated into various applications, including virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, and more. Major tech companies invest heavily in AI research and development, leading to innovations in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and customer service. Ethics and governance in the 2020s. With the rapid growth of AI capabilities, concerns about ethical implications, bias, transparency, and the potential for job displacement intensify. Governments and organizations begin to establish guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure responsible AI development and usage. Current trends and future directions. As of 2024, AI continues to evolve with ongoing research in areas such as generative AI, reinforcement learning, and explainable AI. The development of more sophisticated models, such as OpenAI's GPT-3 and its successors, showcases the potential for AI to generate human-like text and facilitate advanced interactions. Ongoing discussions focus on the societal impacts of AI, including collaboration between humans and AI systems, as well as the implications of superintelligent AI. This brief history highlights the dynamic evolution of AI, characterized by cycles of optimism and setbacks, but ultimately leading to its current prominence and transformative potential in society.